Hi Scorpio, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Guys, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So please be patient. And in case you want to check out your other signs, which are your Sun, Moon, or other rising, or any other sign actually, Venus also, you can always check out the Pixie Goddess Tarot because I keep posting a lot of readings. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel because it really means the world to me. So let's get started, Scorpio. This is not a gender specific or a time specific reading. So whenever you receive it, that is exactly when you're supposed to be hearing these messages. Please excuse my dogs outside. They have found somebody to chew on and they are just, I don't know what's irritating them so much. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Wow. I am getting this, I can feel this excitement at the pit of my stomach. I don't know why. Those are your energies. And Spirit is trying to convey them to you, that you'll have reasons to be excited for. Four of Wands, really? This is reason enough to be excited for. Amazing. This is marriage. This is stability. This is job security. This is security in a relationship. This is becoming serious in a relationship, guys. Somebody is going to propose to you. Somebody is going to be proposed by you. I am so happy. No wonder I was feeling excited. Okay. King of Wands. Lot of fire energies. This could be a Sagittarius, Aries, or a Leo person, but whoever this is, Scorpio, if these are not your energies, then this person is somebody who loves you and wants to treat you like their equal half. They want to be the king for you, or they want to be the queen for you, because it's not a gender specific reading. This was your past, this is your present, and this is your recent, the near future, which is the world. Wow. Scorpio. Everything comes back a full circle. Everything that you were waiting for comes to you right now. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs in Scorpio, or any other sign in Scorpio. Any other placement. 21 is important. 11 is important. Scorpio. Let's see an additional message for you from this deck. Three of Swords. Whatever pain that you were in, whatever deceit you faced in the recent past, and for those who have faced it, okay, not for everyone, of course, you guys are going to be healing from that. You're going to see the bigger picture. You're going to see that whatever was lost comes back to you multiplied by 10. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. The King of Pentacles in reverse. This could have a lot of reasons. So one of them is that a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn person is leaving your life or has left your life. Could be an ex-spouse, ex-husband, ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, ex-partner, or whatever it is, they're leaving your life. Another possibility is that you guys were dealing with a lot of financial... Wow, my dog is really taken off. A lot of financial instability in the recent past. You were dealing with money issues. You were dealing with people not giving you your money, your due, Scorpio. Wow. But justice is being served. You're going to get the love, get the money, get the promotion that you truly deserve, Scorpio. Okay, I told you 11 is a very important number, so keep an eye out for it. 11 could be the game changer for you guys. Wow, Scorpio, I am so happy for you. I think that is what your higher self knows, that you're going to be receiving a lot of justice. If you were dealing with some legal issues where people had taken your money, you're going to get it all back. Oh, someone from your past wants to come back into your life. Someone wants to make an effort towards you. Someone who hurt you or probably didn't realize your value back then wants to be a part of you. Part of your life. The past could come back. I see reconciliation of some sort. You know why they want to come back? Because they see that you are moving on and you're doing well for yourself and you are growing as a human being and you are happy. And when someone's happy, other people want a piece of their happiness always. They want to know what you are doing that is making you so happy and what they are doing that is making them sad. So today, when I'm recording this reading, this is the 5th of December, Indian Standard Time, and 6th could be an important date for some of you, which is tomorrow. Okay. Wow. Scorpio, you've got the Star card. An Aquarius person could be important, but major, major, major wish fulfillment. Some of you, if you want to, you can pause this reading right now and make a wish. This was your past is changing. In your present, you could be a little confused about what to pay attention to. And these two cards came out. So this is your future card, which is the near future. You could be faced with a choice, with a dilemma about something that has taken up a lot of time. Probably two partners, two places, two job opportunities, two things in life, two areas of life. So you could be faced with that. If you guys are working a lot, learn to party a lot as well. Okay, maintain that balance. And an additional message is Ace of Pentacles, money, prosperity, love. Okay, so I'm just getting a message that if you are planning on a new business venture and you want to know if it's a good idea or not, it's a good idea. It'll bring you a lot of money. You may feel that you are investing more than you're earning, but that's just for the time being. You're going to be receiving a lot of money and fame with this new idea. Now let's see some extra oracle messages for you guys. These are additional messages to your tarot. Okay. Forgiveness. Either you are receiving forgiveness, you are seeking forgiveness, or someone is seeking forgiveness from you. But not forgiving somebody could be a blockage. Within the next few months is another card that's come out. So if you had a timeline related question, I also saw the no card. For some of you, if you are looking for an answer, it could be a no, but it's a bleak no. It can be changed, okay? If you tweak your actions, that no can change into a yes. It's not a major no. Don't follow, forge your own path, be the leader, and be somebody who you wish you had. Sometimes when we are going through some dark times, we feel as if I wish I had somebody who could guide me. I wish I had a mentor. I wish I had a leader. Be that person for people, and your own path will appear. You can be good at anything and lead people, but do not harm anyone. And if you really don't know how you can lead or what you can do, you can just write down all the things that light your soul up. What makes you happy? What gives you peace? Like tarot gives me peace. Tarot gives me a sense of belonging. Tarot gives me a chance to serve. Okay? Tarot is something that is close to my soul. So, what is it that you are close to? And Cancer could be an important person for you, Cancer person. Okay, let's see more cards. The energy is gaining momentum. Step out of your comfort zone. Pain could also be your comfort zone, guys. We get so used to our pain that we don't realize that we are very comfortable there. Confidence is your key to success. Leo could be an important sign. Be bold and make the first move, guys. And balance spirituality and practicality, because your emotions could be running really high right now. You could be overwhelmed, some of you. So try spirituality, try meditating. Pisces could be an important sign for some of you. Let's see an affirmation. I let an inner sense of quiet multiply each day as I strengthen my faith in the love of the universe. Once you know that the universe loves you no matter what, you'll know that whatever you've been asking for is already yours. Just have faith, guys. You just need to have faith. Scorpio, this was all for you. Thank you so much for stopping by and giving the Pixie Goddess Tarot a chance to serve you. Do visit my channel again and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.